Today we are going to learn how to do a derivative. A derivative of a function is a slope. It goes back to when we used to learn rise over run in middle school, but now we see kind of where it comes from. And the first thing that we need to know is the formula. This goes back to limits that we learned back in chapter 2. The formula to find a derivative is the limit of the function f of x plus h minus f of x over h as h approaches 0. We are going to find the derivative of x squared plus x plus 1. First step is to plug it into the equation from earlier. You end up getting the limit of x plus h squared plus h plus 1 minus x squared plus x plus 1 all over h as h approaches 0. The blue is the f of x plus h and the orange is the f of x. Notice the parentheses are on the x squared plus x plus 1. You will distribute the minus to each term as I'm about to show you. The main goal of this is to cancel like terms, but we can take the limit later. Let's simplify the equation and get rid of the squared term. Alright, now we see that the squared term is now turned into x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Just did a quick simplification by adding the 2xh terms together. Now we're going to cancel out the like terms. Notice that all the terms that do not have an h can easily be canceled out. If not all the terms cancel out, that is how you know that you made a mistake. Now let's simplify the terms out. Notice how there is an h term in every part of the numerator. This is a good sign. It means that we can distribute it out and cancel with the h in the denominator. Notice how we can take the limit by plugging 0 into h, which is one of the ways that we learn to solve a limit. So let's do that last step. Now we see that the derivative of x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1.